With Office 2007, Microsoft introduced a new and more graphical way to organize all of its different commands and functions. Informally dubbed the ribbon, it brought together groups of commands to help make them easier to find and faster to learn. So we went from typical long menus like this to a more horizontally arranged setup. According to Microsoft's ergonomic studies, it would reduce how far you'd have to drag your mouse across the screen and make commands easier to remember how to find. For instance, notice how all the number formats are located in this section here. Still, the ribbon was a significant change to the normal way of doing business, and many found it took some getting used to. Of course, by now, the ribbon is part of the interface of most Microsoft applications, from Word to PowerPoint to Microsoft Windows itself. In Excel 2016, the menu system shows each tab of the ribbon organized into the aforementioned groups. As you click on the different tabs, you'll see their associated features. Also, a handy trick is that if you double-click on the Open tab, you can toggle the ribbon to be either hidden or shown by default. It can help to get a little more space to work. As long as we've got the ribbon hidden for now, please note that above the menu on the left-hand side of the title bar, you'll find the Quick Launch toolbar. By default, it shows only the Save, Undo, and Redo buttons, but it can be easily customized with this drop-down to include a variety of your other favorites. Okay, let's double-click again to turn the ribbon back on, and then select a typical cell in a typical table. Here we can also see that in fact the ribbon is context sensitive, and it will add relevant tabs depending on what you have selected, such as for these basic examples. Notice the Design tab appear when a cell in the table is clicked, and both the Design and Format tabs appear when the chart is selected. Also, notice how some commands have what are called rich menus. These have a small illustration and the name of the command below. When you click the drop-down arrow, you'll see a so-called gallery of options. For instance, here in conditional formatting, you'll see the very useful data bars with gradients, and also icon sets, which can be used for stoplight indicators on dashboards. One last point about the ribbon is that, if you look closely, many command groups have a small control in their lower right-hand corner. These are called dialog box launchers. If clicked, they will directly open to the main set of options, such as this one for number formatting, and this one for the font dialog. So, to sum up, as the capabilities of Excel have advanced, the interface has also been updated to offer a lot more efficiency in terms of how to get work done. For further reading on the background of the ribbon and the Microsoft Office interface, please see the included links in the description below this video. Thanks for watching.